researched Istanbul, and I had this image in my head of a crazy city with no room to move, overfilled with noise and smells. So it was with a certain trepidation that we got off the bus in a mega-sized bus station. Welcome to Istanbul.
Only a few hours late.
How many hours late? It took us 9 hours.
We're meant to be at 5:30 and it's 9 o'clock.
We'd been warned about the taxi drivers ripping people off and like to think we're fairly used to that now. The driver just tried charging us 24 quid for a taxi ride that should be about 8 quid. So we're going to get some cash to see if we can get a better deal. We flagged down a taxi that was prepared to actually use his meter.
Happy?
That's nice.
Can me and Karis have the single beds?
We'll decide that in a minute.
Yeah.
We weren't expecting something this peaceful in the middle of Istanbul. Just 2-minute walk away from the apartment is the waterfront. It was advertised as a beach, but it's a bit too concrete for the beach.
Getting close to finding another Soraya.
First stop is the Blue Mosque.
This is the inside of the Blue Mosque.
It's free to get in, but you have to make sure your clothing is appropriate. Of course, we find the fountains.
So many jewellery and carpet shops.
It smells of Turkish delight, tea shops and spices. We stopped for some Turkish tea and watched the world go by for a while.
So Kaiba, why are you carrying a bag?
I threw up.
Kaiba just had some Turkish tea and
I didn't like it.
didn't like it much, and it went straight to his tummy and threw up.
I was a bit shaky and a bit wobbly.
lots of shade, and of course fountains.
Of course we got too close to the fountain.
Food is quite cheap, about 2/3 of UK prices. And it's really easy to order too much.
There are also a billion cats in Istanbul. Most are friendly as the locals seem to like and feed them.
There are people everywhere selling boat tours on the Bosphorus.
Some of the reviews online warn of scams once on board, so a DIY approach on the ferries is a much better option.
So instead of a tour, we ferry hopped all the way up to Rumeli Fortress. We saved Hagia Sophia for the last evening. It looks beautiful inside at this time of day. We've just come through the tunnel and we're now in Asia.
Do it again, but closer.
I can't.
I'll let it out. Kyder, can you do one?
What are I even? No, I can't. I'll be laughing the whole way.
We've just come through the tunnel and we're now in Asia.
We've just come through the tunnel and we're now in Asia.